Sup guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the Nether Wart in Minecraft. So basically Nether Wart is an essential item that can be used either in brewing or to make soul sand or to get red nether bricks with the help of normal nether bricks. So it can only be planted old soul sand. So basically, how Nether Wart works is that it can be mined with any tool and drops 2 to 4 Nether Warts when fully grown. With Fortune 3, it can drop up to 7. It grows in 4 stages and only final stage drops more than 1. It needs soul sand to grow and can grow in any dimension. Bowl meal doesn't work on it. Each growth stage has a 10% chance to occur every random tick, about 68 seconds, meaning it can take roughly about 34 minutes to fully grow. So, where can we find nether warts? Nether warts can be found in nether fortresses. So, usually they're found near the stairwells inside the fortress. Let me show you. If I come inside, like this. So basically, these are the stairs I'm talking about, and as you can see, there are two patches of nether warts, and fortresses are made of, nether bricks with walkways, pillars, and rooms. You may find up to two gardens in a fortress, and the fortress can spawn mobs like withered skeletons, blazes, magma cubes, and zombified piglins. And another thing is that you might have a bit of difficulty finding it like this. The second way you can find nether warts is that nether fortresses have a certain number of chests in them, and they can be found in corridor turns inside the fortress. There is a 19% chance for chests to contain up to 3 to 7 nether warts. Up to 20 chests can spawn per fortress. The third way we can find nether warts is by going to Bastion Remnant. So Bastion Remnant houses units. These are large blackstone and basalt structures, excluding basalt delta biomes. Look for a housing unit type, and it shall have a central courtyard with soul sand and nether warts, plus a loot chest, and it is usually guarded by piglins and piglin brutes. Piglins attack if you're not wearing gold, open a chest, or mine gold near them. Piglin brutes are always hostile. Once a piglin brute are killed, they do not respawn. So let me show you a piglin brute. So they usually have a black outfit with some gold. So if I check, so this is how a piglin brute looks like. He has some gold and black, attire, and this is how he looks. So that's pretty much for this video, guys. If you guys liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.